Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take a look at Ethereum. We'll have a look at some of the key statistics of the network first, and then we'll jump into some price analysis, have a look at some potential areas you could invest and some targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed, and let's crack on. So Ethereum, which is ticker ETH, currently has a coin price of $1,358. We're having a bit of a rise. BTC is on a little bit of a moon mission since Elon Musk has changed his Twitter bio just to Bitcoin. So this video could soon get out of date, but we will try and cater for some price targets on the bigger time frame. So let's see what we can hit. We have a total supply here of 114.4 million ETH, and all of those are in circulation. We're getting a current 24-hour volume just shy of $40 billion, and the market cap today is $152 billion. If you are new to cryptocurrency and looking to get hold of some ETH, then I do recommend that you buy it on Binance. It's probably one of the best exchanges out there, but if you are on any other platform, you will be able to get hold of ETH. It is on pretty much every cryptocurrency platform available. So if you're using Coinbase or Crypto.com or anything like that, you will be able to get hold of it. One key point that we need to look at is the all-time highs. And we just scroll down there. That was 4 days ago, so we did it $1,467. The all-time high we've stood for around 3 years, and it was just underneath that. It was around $1,442. So we have been on quite a good rise recently, but we need to have a look at the charts, to have a look at some levels that we could buy in, because we have rejected off from all-time highs, and then some targets going forward. So let's have a look at trading view and do some price analysis. So here we have Ethereum versus Tether. This is the 4-hour time frame on Binance. As you can see, I've got a little setup in play here, and what I'm looking for is a 4-hour closure out of this triangle, and then we can start to target our all-time highs again. But I mean, BTC has pretty much dragged Ethereum up with it currently, so we just need to monitor price. Bitcoin has popped up to 37k, just above that fib, and it has retraced, so we just need to monitor that. This could soon get out of date, this video, due to some crazy price action that we might see. I mean, you saw Doge, what happened last night. It did a 750% rise, so Doge is usually a good historical indicator of a potential alt season. For an alt season, Ethereum should be the first one to break out, so we just need to monitor a price now. But what we can do is have a look at some potential buy zones first up. So I'm going to stick with a 4-hour time frame for this first, and then we'll have a look at some targets on the higher time frames. But what I want to do is potentially use the fib retracement here. So we'll use this as a start of a move here up to them all-time highs that we had. Look at that, we have done a 61% retracement to the T. The chances are we may not come back down to that level at $1,207. So what I would potentially do is have some orders in and around this level, the 0.5 level, $1,258. As you could see, we might not close this 4-hour candle. If it does close within this triangle, we could come down and retest the bottom of the triangle. So that is some potential areas that you could have some investment orders there, in case the market does allow. What you could also do is do a bit of a long setup from that. If the market does allow, and we do eventually come down here, you could flip that into a long. So I mean, I think the next target really is the all-time highs. So if you're looking for some potential trade setups, I would have an order in here on this level around 1,254, but have a stop loss around, what's that, 2%. Have a, I don't know, a 3-4% stop loss. We'll do it down to that 618 level, because it could bounce on there. But that, if you're looking for a trade, there's a potential 16 to 17% there with no leverage. So just monitor that if the market does allow and we do get a price drop down to there. What I would need to also look at is some potential investments if we do close out of this area. So what I'm going to do is just drop into the hourly. And really, you could start from this move. So if we do close some candles, 4-hour candles out of here, then you would potentially be looking at levels on the 0.5 here. So you could potentially have some orders filled at 1,341. And then we also have the next level down here on the 618 at $1,328. So that is 3 potential levels that you could have some orders in place. If the market does allow, I think a good chance that you might get this order filled down here. So just like I say, monitor the charts and see what happens. So that is some potential areas that you could invest. What I want to do now is drop right into the weekly time frame and have a zoom out. We have done a massive retracement from the all-time high. So what I want to do is put the fib on from this level here when we hit the all-time highs last time. Take it all the way down to the bottom, which was here. We did hit around $89, I think it was. This is a Binance chart, I think. So yeah, $89 we did hit on the retracement. So that has carried out a full retracement. We have started to push up now. What I've said in some of my previous videos is I think this is a first next level we can target. So if you're looking to take some profit or sell to accumulate more, or even just an area to sell your entire bags and have some big profit, and I think $1,807 or $1,800 on the nose could be a nice area for you to target. I think that is pretty much the next target to look for. Like I say, with Doge, what happened last night, a 750% rise. The same could happen in any cryptocurrency. Ethereum right now is bullish. We have Ethereum 2.0 on the horizon. Staking is involved. A lot of people are holding Ethereum now. The number of wallets that hold over 1,000 has massively increased. The number of wallets that hold just 0.01 ETH has massively increased too. So I think we can soon start to target some of these higher levels. It was also known that it's been on the news recently that Ethereum has had supply issues on the exchanges. So exchanges are running out of Ethereum. So inevitably that should push the price up in the mid-term. So that is some areas to potentially set some orders on Ethereum in USDT pair. And that is my first target there. Then we have the next major target of $2,000. But my prediction for Ethereum on the next major run, I honestly think we can hit $5,000, but we just need to keep ourselves on the ground, keep level-headed, and hopefully we can target that at some point over the course of the next year and a half. So that is the USDT pair. If we just take a look at the BTC pair, this has got a long way to go. I've had this set up on my chart for a while. I was looking for a breakout of this weekly downtrend, and that's what we have done. And then the first target was breaking above this monthly resistance, which we have broke. But we are retesting that at a minute. So the Ethereum, the BTC pairs and all altcoins have been getting absolutely dry bum. So if you just zoom out, look how much we've got to cover really from, let's say we'll do it from this monthly level up to the all-time highs on a BTC pair. We've still got 228% to travel, so that is a long way to go, and I honestly think that Ethereum is going to absolutely boom at some stage. But what we need to do really is, if we just look on the daily time frame, let's have a look what that's doing. We need to close above this monthly support. I think BTC needs to just chill out, and then if we do close above this monthly support, we can then start to pretty much head for some nice whole numbers. I think breaking this level really at where is it, horizontal ray, this level here pretty much we'll go for a nice round number of pretty much 0.05 satoshis. I think that is the first level that I can target, so I'll just mark it up there as the first target for us to look for, and hopefully we can start to push on soon. Once BTC starts and stop doing its thing. I think Elon Musk is pumping that himself at the minute with his Twitter bio. So that is the first target really. If you're looking to buy in, then I would buy in on this monthly support here. Now we are starting to drop through it. I can't see this closing, to be honest, on the daily candle. I think we might pop up soon, and then I would personally just watch a daily close. If we do close above this level, then have some orders placed at 0.037, and let's see how that goes. So that's going to do it for the analysis on Ethereum. That is some price entries on the BTC and USDT pair, and then some targets going forward. Once we do break through 0.05 sats, and if we do close above $1,800, then I think that will be the next time for me to do some analysis and jump into some further areas that you could invest. So that's going to do it for today's video. Please make sure, well, if you have any questions, jump into my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You'll find the link in the pinned comment in my description. Do make sure that you are hitting that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.